With this session update, I'm Shannon Lurkey. With strong bipartisan support, the Senate passed the Omnibus Health and Human Services Policy and Supplemental Funding Bill. Here are some highlights.
It will be difficult to see the gains that we would like to make in attracting and retaining workers if we don't address child care. Access to child care is one of the key reasons that parents have difficulty going back to work. And this bill contains no funding at all to implement necessary changes that we need to make in our child care system to make it possible for more Minnesotans to afford their child care. And
so as I talk to the governor, who I respect and want to work with more, and I appreciated his optimistic comments, and as I talk to my colleagues across the hallway, across the street, who I have a tremendous relationship with, if we can get them to see the value of this, we will have truly made a difference. Because without almost this amount of money, I don't know how the good we want to do can come to pass.
There's some things in this bill that we can all support. It helps lift the pay for PCAs and home health care workers who have been so important during this pandemic, and I think it's obviously critical and important, and I want to thank the author for including that in this bill. We've been through a lot during the last few years, but those healthcare workers that have gotten our families through thick and thin deserve more than just the minimum wage, and this bill remedies that and fixes that. And there will still be more to do in this space, but it will help ensure that we can continue to retain those workers in this space who have been so important to all of us.
And members, this bill in front of us today is probably one of the single most important bills that we can pass this session. Members, this bill invests over $1 billion in workers who care for our most vulnerable Minnesotans. Over $1 billion over the next 3 years. $1 billion.
There being 61 ayes and 5 nays, Senate File 4410 as amended passes and its title agreed to.
To continue following these issues and more, watch legislative coverage Monday through Friday on the PBS Minnesota channel or visit our website, www.senate.mn/media.